We are live. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Testing 1, 2. I believe we are good to go. All right. Let's do this. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day, everybody. Timbo in the house. Black Coffee Trader in the house. Fred Yeager. Sean Trader. John. Good morning, John. User Jake Dell. Dean Bishop. I am Bruce Lee. Good morning, Sam Owen, Zugfest, Thor, good morning. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Looks like the market wants to go higher. Shocker. It's a shocker. Timely Bible verse. Good morning. Good morning. Let's do this. Timely Bible verse. Good to see you. All right, we are above the 230s. We're very close to the overnight highs right here at the 235s. Expect us to take that overnight high at the open. Would make sense. Hey, Trade Ski, Master Chrysler, VATQ, Ace Undercover, good morning. Joe Crypto, good morning. RXHX, good morning. Dabda, how we doing? Let's do this. Let's see what happens. Don't be surprised to see 338 on this open. Ooh, wow. I mean, anything, it's definitely doable. Lately, it seems like, by the way, on the daily chart, we are officially above the famous trend line. So let's see. Can we get above the maybe 300s today? Maybe. We shall see. All right, we are opening up, boys. Buckle up. Buckle up. Let's see what happens. Your market is open. See if we take out that overnight high right away. Or may we just keep going lower now. Who knows? We chilling. Hey, Diego, good to see you. We're doing great. Jay Wilson, good to see you. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Golf guy Mike, good morning. All right, pulling back here a little bit. Nothing too crazy here right at the open. And there we go. See if we take out that high. There she goes. There she blows. Up through the 240s, testing the 250s now. Let's see what happens. Design Knob. Good morning, Design Knob. Hey, good morning, Peter Tate. Good morning, Black Beauty Machine. Good to see you. Everybody waiting on Lucid Flex? Yeah, I'm curious. When are they announcing what Lucid Flex is going to be? Are they doing when are they announcing it officially? Do you know? As an affiliate, I should know, but I don't. All right, market. we did take out the overnight highs. Let's see if we keep going here. This could be a choppy open. I don't know. Could be one of those choppy opens. What do they mean by the no buffer? I'm not sure. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. I'm trying not to look too much into it. A lot of prop firms, you know, the hype is, they do a really good job of hyping. So I always try to make sure my expectations are not too crazy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. Up through the 260s. Looks like we're going higher, boys. It looks like we're going higher, which I'm okay with. Kind of hope we don't, man, I hope we just get a nice clean setup. Today I want to be a one and done kind of day. I just want to get in, get out, and then go enjoy the long. I don't think, obviously, I'm not going to be trading tomorrow. I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow. And I don't think I'll be streaming on Friday either. I don't think so anyway. So do with that as you may. But then next week we will be streaming once again from Florida. I gotta say, I'm ready for Florida again, man. The weather up here is brutal. It's cold and rainy and windy this morning. I'm definitely not stepping a foot outside if I don't have to today. We are not moving. Need a Black Friday deal from Lucid? Yeah, I agree, Frozen North. I suspect that the Black Friday deal will come when they reveal the Lucid Flex plan. Is kind of what I'm expecting. Hey, Design Up. What a wonderful day. It is a... No buffer means you don't have a mandatory profit target before taking a payout. Yeah, I mean, there's going to be give and take. One thing I have come to realize in this prop firm industry is when a prop firm rolls out something new and better, there's always there's always a give and take. So I usually anyway. So we'll see. We will see. But I'm excited to see what it is. All right, market has right back into the overnight high right here at the 240s. Let's see if we're going to keep going or not. Chicago PMI news at 9:45. Okay, thank you, Sean Trader. That will probably matter. Yeah, I would say that's something to keep an eye on. Chicago PMI. We'll just be chilling here, waiting patiently. Waiting patiently. Man, I almost took a trade in the overnight session and decided against it. Would have been a loss. So probably okay not to do it. I thought you love winter and snow, Design Knob. Well, see, I don't know. I like the snow, Design Knob. I like when it snows. I hate when it's 35 degrees and raining, okay? Oh, I can always take a short flight to Florida from my office chair. That sounds like fun. Haven't blown any accounts today, so it's a great day. Let's go. Bob. Hey, good morning, Bob. Good morning, Bob. How we doing? Good to have you back. Jeremy Shaw, good morning. The Hoodie Trader, good morning. ES is ripping right now. NQ's just kind of paused here. NQ just stuck here the 240s for now. Maybe we get a pullback. All right, maybe we come back, retest like maybe the 210s. I don't know. I'm not taking a setup here this early in the morning, so I don't trade the open. Got to wait until at least minimum 9:45. Minimum. Anyone know the current gold contract? I have it. It's the February contract. February contract is the current one. Wow, look at that pullback. Whoa, Bessie. Down below the 200s. That was quite the pullback. Quite the pullback. You got to be careful now. ES at a major 4-hour high blackout. If it reclaims, we could be in for uptrending day. I see. Yeah, what was that rip lower, man? Hey, Queet Gaming, good morning. I usually keep these on the background when I'm working. I want to see this. What do you got? What do you got for me, Design Knob? Is this safe to click? Oh, see, now that makes, oh, Design Knob. Now you're speaking my language. That is a serene. Oh, look at this. Look at this, how calming. See this I like. I like this. I don't like when it's 35 degrees and cold, rainy. That is what I don't like. The market doing market things. Yep, just be patient. Be patient. Joom would approve. I agree, John. I feel like Joom is in the Bahamas. I have a strong inclination that Joom, he's in the Bahamas somewhere with a pina colada. He's got his toes in the sand. I mean, that guy's got no worries in the world. All right, now seeing a little, we tested the 21 EMA on the 5-minute and ripping. We are ripping right back up. Now, okay, I wanted to mention this, guys, just so you guys are not confused. I changed my opening range. I changed it to the 3-minute opening range. So these yellow, the yellow lines you see, this is no longer the 15-minute. This is now the 3-minute. And I'm just doing it. I'm testing some things. So I'm doing the 3-minute just so I can like actually watch it live. So just FYI. All right, let's see. Joom is in all of us. Just look deep within your own heart. Ain't that the truth? You hooked me with the flight simulator. It balanced it out my trading day to realize I could be flying with you. That's right, Bob. Things could always be worse. Things could always be worse. You could be stuck in a plane that I'm flying. That is definitely 100% worse, but you have a high chance of survival, but you will likely go through some turbulence. You will probably think you're going to die probably 10, 15 times on the flight, but Nutty always gets you home safe for the most part. For the most part. No promises, but all right, market, make up your mind. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Dabda, you're getting a lot of golf ads now. Yeah, that's probably my fault, Dabda. They're listening. They're listening. Nutty will get you home safe. I like that, Jay Wilson. We can put that on a t-shirt. Hey, good morning, Clyde. Very choppy right now. Nothing to see here. We be chilling. I mean, the 200s so far, the 200s are holding. Now the overnight low here, let's see the overnight low here. Overnight low is all the way down here, the 25,061. So got plenty of room to the downside if we start to lose this like 130 area maybe. Also, we do have news at 9:45, so just be careful. 9:45 news coming. Hey, Gutenberg, good morning. You got to shrink after that day. That's fair. Nutty air. Safety is our third priority. No, nutty air. We will get you home safe. And then if we don't, I guess we'll have to rethink that slogan, I guess. Well, we'll just have to, you know, probably call it a wrap. All right, market struggling to get it back above that 230, 240 area now. Hey, yeah. All right, Chicago PMI news coming out here. See if this, I don't think this is going to move the market crazy amount, but it will probably move it somewhat. News coming out in 25 seconds. Yeah, David, I like that. Nutty air, we will get you home. We didn't say safely. That way the lawyers are protected. We're protected against lawsuits. Nutty air, we will get you home. Not going to commit to how we get you home, but we feel confident we can get you home. Oh, there she goes. All right, breaking above the 230s. There she goes. I guess that was news related. That was a pretty nice move off the news. Interesting. All right. Define home. Well, define home. That is a good question. We don't define it. That way it's kind of got to protect against lawsuits. Might not be safe, might not be sound, but you'll get home. All right, market, what are we doing? We just going right back down? Kind of expect this to go now. Kind of expect this to rip. Let's see if we can't get back above the 270s. Reminds me of the movie Airplane. One of my favorite TV shows. One of my favorite TV shows is Airline Disasters on the Smithsonian Channel. It's one of my favorite channels to watch. I love it. It does a really good job of explaining how all these airline crashes happen. I don't know why, but I find it very, very informative and very interesting. All right, let's see if we break through the 260s here. Chicago PMI data still not out. Really? What? Hey, Jung. I'm not sure what to call your name. Youngagoj? Young. I'm just going to call you Young. If I'm already a full-time trader. I guess I'm a full-time trader and a full-time streamer. I guess you would consider me. But yes. Hey, good morning, Orlando. uh, I don't know why. I love watching the airline disasters. I find it very interesting. I always feel like I always freak out how many times these airline disasters they happen because of pilot error. A lot of times. And every time I board a plane, I do like a once over the pilot. If I get a bad, usually, I just want to see the pilot, make sure he doesn't look like has dementia or anything. I watched it on a flight. Oh, Dean Bishop. Now that's a different level of insanity. If you watch airline disasters on a flight, I might actually do that. I kind of like it. It's like a whole different kind of twisted. I want to watch it, but I want to watch it in the center seat and hold my phone up so the other people have to watch it. They have to watch it as well. I kind of like that idea. Just going to be a good old torture session all flight long. Oh, by the way, talking about a torture session, I got to tell you guys my experience on the flight back up to Ohio. I almost forgot to explain to you guys. Oh man, I tell you what, we had quite an experience, and I was close. It was real close. I turned into a Karen. I almost turned into a Karen, but I didn't. I calmed down. Everything was fine. But we so we get on the plane, okay, and we have a family of 4. So it's me, my wife, and then 2 kids. So when I get the tickets and I select the seats, I always put my wife and the 2 kids in one full row, and then I sit either in front or behind them, just by myself. So that's what I did on this flight, and I'm in the window seat, okay, right in front of my family. If ever call you Karen back in the day, I wouldn't be surprised, John. I got called a lot of things. But anyway, here I am sitting in my seat, and wouldn't you know it, down the aisle comes this lady with 2 carriers, and there's 2 cats. Here, what are the odds I sit beside the ultimate cat lady? I mean, she had 2 cats, and she was the definition of a cat lady. And I saw her come down, and I'm like, oh, please no. Yep, of course. She goes right in, and she's got the center seat. I'm sitting right beside her. And I'm just like, no way. And she sits down, and of course, and she is all concerned about her cats. Oh, she's so concerned. She's like, oh, babies, you're okay. It's okay, babies. And she tells me, she's like, I gave him sedatives and yada, yada, yada to try to calm these cats down. And she's like, these are her first flights. And I'm like, and my wife from behind me in the seat is just losing it. She is laughing like crazy. She thinks this is so funny. And of course, the cats, they just keep going meow, 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 literally every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, these cats are meowing. It's insanity. And she keeps reassuring them like, it's okay. And and I am losing. I'm like, it's a 2-hour flight. And I kid you not, in the 2 hours that we had that flight, those cats they weren't silent at all. They literally were meowing for 2 hours straight. It was insane. And at one point, when the point where I almost turned into a Karen, was right when we took off, the cats reached like another level of meowing where it was really bad. And the cat lady, she was starting to freak out, and she reaches down, grabs the carrier, and it's like a carrier with like a lot of see-through holes, and it has a zipper on the top. And she reaches down and she kind of gets the carrier and brings it up toward her lap. And then she starts unzipping the top of the carrier. And I'm like, nuh-uh. And I just gave her the ultimate side eye. Like, I just look at her and she looks at me and she quickly she quickly closes it. And she's like, I just want to make sure they're fine. I just want to make sure she's okay. And I'm just thinking to myself, if this cat lady opens that carrier and if we got a cat in the plane, like, that's where I would have had to draw the line. I'm like, nope, time out. We're going to have our Karen moment right here and right now. But thankfully that didn't happen. She closed the carrier and we survived. But man, it was brutal. It was a rough flight, but we survived. We were very patient. I didn't make any bad comments. I was very polite and tried to be understanding, even though internally I was thinking, and then to make things worse, it was so funny. My wife, our family is like on this group chat, like a group text message, and she's live updating the group chat while we're still on the plane, like on the ground before we go in airplane mode. She's like telling everybody how our flight is going to be. It was funny. Good times. All right, market. We got to pay attention here. We are continuing to pull back now. I'm trying to think what I want to do here. I really don't. Man, I mean, we could technically have a trade here, but I got to have a really nice entry with this kind of volatility. Not too crazy about. I'm gonna wait. Be patient. We're gonna get some setups. I would have been a total prick. I had a girlfriend allergic to cats and have it to us before I got the cats. Hey, it was, dude. Oh, I'm like, why do you need your cats? I don't know. Whatever. I like dogs. I'm a dog person. Okay, I'm a dog person through and through. Cats. I mean, cats are just. I hate to say this, but cats are just, they're dumb. Like, you can't teach them anything. You can't train them. They're a wild card, man. You never know. News in 5 minutes. Oh, there's news at 10. I missed that. Let me look. There's not news. I don't think so. I don't have any news at 10. All right, market continuing lower now, down testing the 200s once again. Interesting. One pet doesn't exclude the other. I mean, you know what my worst fear? I didn't even think about this until after the flight. What if those cats, took a dump in their carrier? Can you imagine? If that happened, I don't think I would have survived. I don't think I would have survived. Or I would have had to change seats or something. I would have gone to the restroom and I would have just stayed in the restroom until we landed. I think that would have been my game plan. Cats are easy. Are you kidding me? Oh, no, guys. Good morning, Max 90. Okay, the 4-week bill high yield. Okay, maybe I missed. Okay. All right, we be waiting. Let's see if the 200s here hold. Hello? Oh, I thought the market stopped moving there for a second. Do they have seat belts on toilets? Hey, I would have been fine. I would have been fine. You can always smell a cat when you walk into the house. Yeah, you can see all the tiny hairs floating around the room. I agree, John, 100%. All right, down we go, boys. Down we go. The big bowl in the restroom is a cat holder, I've heard. Okay, that's mean. Good morning, David Knight. Good morning. You can train cats to use the toilet? Oh, really? I bet it takes 10 years to train a cat. From what my experience has been. Oh, dear. All right, we are continuing lower. We are continuing lower. All right, let's see what happens. I tried it, crapped on my bed, and then I gave up. Hurry, get long. Yeah, I'm not touching this. We might have to wait and get a short set up the way this is playing out. Pretty big move lower here. A cat never yells, Dad, I'm done during a trade. Okay, you got a point, Dean Bishop. I'm sorry, Debda. Man, this is a pretty big move lower here. It's over 100 points lower from the highs now. Maybe we want to take out the overnight lows, possibly. Anyone else? Project X lagging? What's breaking news? Project X is lagging. I don't know. You clawed all the way back to green. Let's go, RX. Let's go. NQ looks like a bull flag breakout on the daily. Oh, on the daily, yes. Yeah, I do kind of agree. We've got this. We do need to kind of now get above the 300s. Long from 150. Let's go, Design Knob. You got this. Hey, good morning, Sharuz. I'm going to send you an African black-footed cat as a gift. No, nah, I'm good. I'm good, Sharuz. I'm good. Hmm. All right, market. It looks like Top Step X is completely crashed. Top Step X is completely down. John, you're upset with me being against cats. I can't help it. The truth hurts sometimes. Yeah, Top Step X completely crashed. I like listening to Top Step TV when the Top Step X platform is crashed. I don't know why it's so entertaining. Oh, you hate to see it, you know? You just hate to see it. Sharuz, don't do it. Michael Pataka is implementing the new slippage. Yeah. That's insane. Because I can't even log into Top Step X right now. I can't even log in, and I'm in a trade. So I better get reimbursed for this loss. Top Step can't even log in. Very nice platform you got there. Very sound. Great idea. Great idea to make it your only option. Smart. Very smart. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Hey, Tech 111, good morning. Yeah. uh Dogs are, hey, Desharoos, come on, man. Dogs are so dumb they can find their way back home. Yeah, Top Step is down. Down for the count, man. Can't even log in. Can't even log in. I better not take a loss. Better not. Fix your stuff, Top Step. Come on. Putting your code in for Apex eval. Let's go, Joe Crypto. Thank you very much. I do appreciate the support. Come over here and give me a lift. I can't reach the slippage switch. You're too funny, Design Knob. You are too funny. All right, market. How is it that the Top Step, what they're trading isn't down, but everybody else is? Isn't that a little sus? So somehow the Top Step X platform that Top Step is trading, that doesn't crash, but everybody else's does. We need a full investigation. Yeah, counterintuitive. I've had that happen too, but this is a full-on crash. It's like complete full-on crash. I can't even log in. The other night, Dakota said, this is a great time for everybody to get their Top Step account. I wrote, yeah, so you can lose them on the SlipX. I bet you got banned real fast, John. Oh, rip. They have an in-house server. It's getting real awkward on Top Step TV. It's getting real awkward. Oh, yes, Matty Matt, I wanted to ask you, did you see Paige? It was like Paige was listening to us yesterday when I gave her advice, except she didn't take it, but Paige did come out of her hole, and her apology, I mean, that was a rough that was a rough look too, I feel like. I mean, obviously people threatening her, like, that's just so dumb. Like, why are people so weird? But to say she played competitive golf in college, like, she played competitive golf in college, and you're telling me she did not know you can't stomp down grass? I mean, I find that extremely difficult to believe. I find that very hard to believe. Is Tradeovate or Rhythmic better for copy trading? Kanunga's fail. Just off of my personal experience, I would say I would say probably Tradeovate. I don't know though. I mean, I use Tradeovate, and I've been pretty happy with my copy trader, which I use Replicanto, but I've been pretty happy. Really not that many issues. Yeah, Maddie, she knew. You did finally watch the entire thing? Yeah, exactly, Maddie. The right team won for sure. Note to Barstool, they should be banning rangefinders with slope on it. Yeah, honestly, they should just allow slope. You know, I think that solves it pretty quickly. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but the fact that they, it just, the whole thing, it was definitely entertaining, Matt. It was definitely entertaining. Japan has warned the world this past week. What did they warn us on? Does the market close early today? No, I don't believe so. I don't believe so. The only golfer that matters right now is Kai Trump. Hey, she's a really good golfer. She's a really good golfer. Honestly, Brad Dahlke right now is, dude, that guy's I would say he's the best influence golfer out there right now, except for Bryson DeChambeau, obviously, but I hope Brad Dahlke gets like a PGA exemption, like he gets invited to one event or two. I know, Matt, it's funny watching them. They don't know what to do. I find it kind of funny. Oh man, I got something in my eye. Yeah, the market closes early tomorrow, and the market closes early on Friday. I will probably not be streaming, and I won't be trading Thursday or Friday. I don't plan to. The only golfer that matters, I already know what this is going to be, John. I already know what this is going to be. Yep, I was right. I knew, John. I know you too well. I knew what that link was before I clicked on it. Too funny. Top Step TV is actually hilarious right now. They're like, they just want to end the stream, Everybody's spamming. Top Step X is down. It's down. It's trash. They're so awkward right now. It's hilarious. It's so funny right now. Uh-oh. Testing 1, 2. I don't trust much in this market. Yeah, it's so, I don't know. I shouldn't laugh, but was my stream was paused there for a second. I don't know. How does she swing around the balloons? Oh my word, TCF trades. She finds a way. Let's do an airplane flight ride to Florida. Yeah, Jose. I don't know, man. But okay, I mean, I know I've said this in the past. I know I've said this in the past, and I'll say it again. But whoever at Top Step made the final decision, I'm sorry, but that's just so dumb. Why would you create your own platform, like, and then make it your only option? The amount and level of risk that you just now took in by that decision is just so bad. Like, why? It really doesn't make any sense why you would do that. Like, at least, like, if you're a prop firm owner, if I was a prop firm owner, I would want to make sure that I am completely removed from the data feed and the platform from me as a prop firm owner, because I know, and we all know, that when traders lose, I make money. So I don't want to have a conflict of interest in any way. And it's a glaringly obvious conflict of interest that they have the platform, data feed, everything. It's a direct conflict of interest, even if they say it isn't. And it just doesn't make sense why you would open yourself to risk like that when it isn't necessary. Like, it really isn't necessary. There's so many other better ways to do it, but what do I know? You know, what do I know? Pose at least my Matty Matt, I love it. It's so funny though. I'm really sorry, but it's funny watching Top Step squirm like crazy. They would rather, they just want to end the stream right now. Let me check. Can I log in now? I went long on my Top Step account off of the VWAP right here. So if this thing absolutely dumps, they better avoid that loss, or we're gonna get the pitchforks out. And why would you even trade with Top Step for those reasons? It's a fair point, Jay Wilson. It's a fair point. The only reason that I do is because I feel pretty confident that I can take money from them. That's the only reason that I do. I just want to take as much money from them as humanly possible. Okay, that's my only objective and the only reason that I am trading with them. But hey, I guess I shouldn't complain. If I'm actively deciding to do it, then maybe that makes it that I shouldn't complain. But hey, I'm going to complain anyway, just because. I'm sorry, it's so funny. It's too funny, man. It is actually really funny watching them. Talk about awkward. Talk about awkward. Oh man, you hate to see it. You really hate to see it. Project X is a good platform. Yeah, it's great when it works. Not so great when it doesn't. Yeah, I don't get it either, Jose. That's what I was saying. How is their Top Step account working? How, like, that just proves, is literally evidence that they put everybody else on a different server and then they have probably a plug switch where they can unplug it. It's like, yeah, we're a little bit overexposed here. Unplug the servers, guys. It's crazy. Everybody's tuning in because they want to see them squirm. It's too funny. You just had a nutty style bathroom break design knob. That is too much information. Oh man. Let's go, John. If they're in a long position and people go short and the market drops hard, they block the system until. No, I obviously don't know, but it's just too crazy. It is just insane to me that a prop firm of Top Step's caliber is exposing themselves to that kind of risk. I'm like, regardless if they're doing it intentionally or not, it doesn't even matter. Like every time they have issues or slippage or whatever, they're opening themselves to issues. And in my opinion, if there was ever, like, I mean, I don't think regulation is coming to the prop firm industry. So let's make that clear. I don't think it is, but if it is, one of the first things that the regulators are going to do is they're going to make sure that there is not a conflict of interest between the prop firm and the platform and the data feeds. Like there has to be a clear cut, no conflict of interest there. So it just doesn't make sense why they would open themselves to that kind of risk. But hey, the market just going sideways. If this thing dumps, it's not going to be good. It is not going to be good. I want 10 free resets and 10 free XFA accounts for my pain and suffering that I'm going through right now. If you're not watching Top Step TV right now, you gotta watch. It's too funny. What is the shelf life of a prop account before you need to switch firms? What do you mean, Bob? The data outage is what scares me. No one is protected by TopStep or these big firms. I mean, okay, so the data is coming from the CME. So that part isn't as big of an issue, but they have the, like, there's obviously a direct conflict of interest because they, TopStep, are in control of that data. Where Tradeovate, for example, like Apex or Tradeify or Lucid, Tradeify prop or Tradeovate prop, they are in charge of the data from the CME, not the prop firms. So there's obviously there's not a direct conflict of interest that way. Yeah, it's crazy. It is crazy. The chat is insane. Oh, it's too funny. Yeah, it's a good way to increase their viewership, Jose. That's true. It is true, but it is funny. I will say it is funny. All right, let me see. Can I log in now? I mean, how hard is it to unplug the server and plug it back in? Come on, man. Yep, still can't log in. TopStep X still down. They can't cover the losses of their live traders. I don't know, Mr. Wallace. I mean, it's an interesting concept, and it's definitely something to be aware of. But it would require a pretty massive kind of move. Oh man, it's still not. It's just not happening, man. And they're saying don't trade. I can't trade. I can't even log in. Are you kidding me? If I could trade, I would. I'd get out of my trade if I could. I can't even sign in. It's not ideal, they said. It's not ideal. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Oh, we're taking we're having too much fun for this. I shouldn't. It should be thankfully I was only trading micros, so they're still going to take trades while their viewers can't. I know that's what makes it look even worse. Meanwhile, their data feed and their platform is working perfectly fine. Somebody needs to explain that to me. Like, somebody seriously needs to explain that to me. All right, market. Let's see if we get the rip higher. I think the dummy at the top is going to cry. Not ideal implies that things are working, just not 100% perfectly. No, it's an absolute There is nothing working. Like, it's just weird. How are they still? Well, how are there? I don't get it. How is the data feed for them not affected? How is their platform not affected? That's a little weird. Little bit weird, not gonna lie. They use Trade-Evade. Wouldn't that be funny? They're secretly using Apex's data feed from Trade-Evade. They bought Apex accounts. They bought Apex accounts and they're using that as their backup. Yeah, I hate to see it. I'm just kidding, by the way. I that's not true. It looks like they're attending a funeral. That's very well said. It's like they're watching it die right in front of them, and it's nothing they can do. Oh man. They're probably pumping a trading feed to trading view. Yeah, I don't know. They claim they're on live data, but why is their platform working? I know, John. If they weren't such like the way they sometimes come across, like self-righteous and they're the only ones that are doing everything right, if they wouldn't come across that way sometimes, then I would feel a little bit bad for them as well. But happy Thanksgiving. They look like they booked a flight on Nutty Airlines and have to sit next to a cat. That's true. That's fair. Oh man. Meanwhile, at least we have something entertaining because meanwhile, this market really not doing much. Not anything to see here. Nothing to see here. The reality that we live in, says Dakota. This is just the reality we live in. So it's unfortunate, guys. The reality is Project X, Top Step X sucks. That's the reality we live in. But too bad. Oh, man. Oh, you hate to see it. All right, market, do something. We don't live in a free market where we can choose to trade any prop firm. Like, yeah, that is true. It actually, I think, would be better if they would just go offline at this point because it just makes it way worse that their chart's working fine. And just, I wonder if someone has a live feed, like someone has a live account, is it working or is that down as well? Are you a trend into pullback trader? Yes, Young. I really, for me to get a trade long, I mean, I'm trying to think what I need to see actually. Do I need to make new highs? Ideally, I want to see us make new highs and then get a pullback to the 21 EMA on the 2-minute or the 5-minute, and then look for an entry above the previous break of the candle. Live is down for funded traders too, Jetty. So how? Then why does Top Step, like, how? How are they still okay? It's obvious that they have a different feed or something. That's what looks very, very sus. Oh man, I think Top Step, I think they're gonna bail. I think they're just gonna bail. I actually think they're gonna bail. They're just gonna run. It's so bad. They're just gonna run. Oh man, I almost feel bad. Almost. Oh man, that's just wrong. That's rough, man. That is rough. He has the same feed as Top Step. Uh-oh. Unbelievable. There you go, Top Step. They just said I'm out. They said, you know what? Let's just stop. Unbelievable. Talk about an absolute disaster. Talk about an absolute disaster. Happening right in real time. But hey, Top Step X is the best platform and yada, yada, yada. You just have to believe us. And yeah, just trust us, you know? Top Step X, best platform. No issues. Unbelievable. There's no way that they can keep, like, there's no way they can't do something about this. Oh, you know, Patrick is laughing so hard right now, but he can't tweet about it. You know, he's laughing. I mean, he might tweet about it, who knows, but my audio keeps going in and out of my feed. Is that on my end or am I having trouble? I don't think so. I think my audio is fine. They put slow mode on, so you have to think about what you are going to say next. Yeah, it must be Michael Batak is too busy suing Patrick that he forgot to pay attention to his own platform. That's a bad look. Oh, I'm sorry. That actually was pretty funny. That was pretty entertaining. You hate to see it, man. But hey, if you have Top Step accounts, they better be giving tons of resets that are free. Free reset. I don't know, but I mean, I am long. So hopefully the market just keeps going higher and we make, like, you know, then I guess I can't complain too much. Well, I'm still going to complain just because I can. It's still weird to me how their platform was the only one working. Like, that needs to be investigated. What? That needs to be investigated. People in chat saying it's unacceptable. It was so bad. It was just so bad. They finally just were like, you know what? Let's go home. Let's go early Thanksgiving, guys. I'm out. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, let's try to sign in again. Ooh, we might. Maybe. My stream is lagging? Really? Is it lagging for anyone else? Because I'm not dropping any frames. Oh, man. So my stream is having issues? What? They must have, they're probably attacking me. They're DDoS. Oh, wait. Are we? Wait. Okay, Top Step is back up. It's back up. So X is lagging. I see. I was, okay, I hit the buy button, but it evidently didn't register because I'm not in a trade according to my dashboard. I am not in a trade according to my dashboard. I still want a free reset or something for my pain and suffering. All my pain and suffering. Is it still, you had to refresh 4 times? Okay, is it still? Go slow for a moment and then normal again. No issues for you. Yeah, it looks like Top Step X is back up. As soon as Top Step goes off air, it comes back on. Man, I tell you what. Things are getting weird around here. You lost sound, Daniel Max? I'm getting DDoSed by Top Step. Uh-oh. I don't know. My stream, my internet is just not as, the Ohio internet is not as stable as my Florida internet. It's just that simple. But yeah, I am able to log back into Top Step and it is working again. Must be they found the right cord and plugged it back in. You're in a trade, you just don't know it yet. I thought about that too, Design Up. Am I just going to be magically in a trade all of a sudden? I don't even want to press a button right now. I don't even want to. I don't want to test it. But while we're on the subject of, well, actually, you know what? I'm not going to jinx myself this time. I'm not. You guys are going to have to wait. At the end of the month, I'll reveal my Top Step trading whatever. The end of the month, we'll update. Top Step TV needs a training in crisis management. They ran right at the wrong time. Now, watch, they're going to come back. Wait, Tradeify didn't go down once? Really, Golf Guy Mike? Are you saying that Tradeify X didn't go down? I see. I see. That's interesting. Anderson 999. I know, it was actually pretty funny. It was hilarious. Oh, it was pretty funny. Ah. Unbelievable. What a crazy What a crazy morning. All right. I mean, this is kind of one of those. We didn't make new highs here, but we are in an uptrend. It's kind of could almost take an inch or almost could justify a trade here. I mean, technically, we haven't even touched the 21 EMA yet. I'm going to pay attention at least. See what happens here. Oh, really? Lucid X didn't either. That is interesting. You lost 150K combine. They better give me a free reset. Yeah, they better, Anderson. They best. I went through just some mental anguish and some mental like pain and suffering. So I feel like I need like 10 free resets to make up for my just the mental anguish that I went through. They would have to pay Tradify money, I guess. But yeah, I don't know, Jose. I don't know. Kevin G. Futures Desk X didn't go down either. I see. So it seemed like it was only related to Top Step X only. Buell Knox never went down either. I see. So it was only at Top Step X. I mean, that kind of makes it even funnier, real to be honest. All right. All right, focus. Let's focus back to trading now. We got our hourly entertainment value. Oh man. Emotional damage. That's right. That's right. Okay, top one didn't go down either. Yeah, so it had to be only the Top Step X server went down. Interesting indeed. All right. Let's pay attention here. Oh, this is kind of a iffy, kind of an iffy trade here. I have trust issues now. I need a free reset. Exactly. Can I go over the affordable indicators that I use? Yes, Jay Wilson. So the basic chart trader from affordable indicators and the account dashboard. That's what I use. Yeah, it's kind of like Robin Hood. Yeah, Jose. Oh, crazy times. Let's see. I mean, there's a chance today. This is the day before Thanksgiving. You know, day before Thanksgiving. Maybe we don't get much of a move today. Wouldn't be too shocked if this just kind of stays in this little range all day. We are, let's see if this 208 level, the 200s here. Yep, there we go, 200s. Let's see if that holds. The hourly entertainment value. It was David Knight. It was pretty funny. Yeah, I know, Joe Crypto. That's what makes it so funny. They literally went off the air, and 5 minutes later, Top Step X was back working. Oh, you know that. You know that didn't go over well either. All right, down we go, testing. Testing the VWAP once again. I'm just chilling here. I don't think we don't. I think we wait to take any setup until we break kind of out of this range. We need to make new highs or make new lows, one or the other. I also need to use the restroom, so I will be right back. Hey, we're back. All right. Trying to get a rip back up. We might get a setup. We might get a setup. We just need to get above the 270s. Get above the 270s. Wait, Top Step is down again? Is it actually down again? Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Dude, I did I just refreshed. I look at this. I just refreshed. Literally just refreshed, and this is what came up. It says TopStep X is the premium futures trading platform built by traders for traders. Nah, they're just trolling us at this point. Oh man, they're just trolling us now. You cannot be serious. Oh, you cannot actually be serious. Oh, that is too funny. It put it reset. It took it switched to N or ES out of nowhere. Oh man, I tell you what. I should send that to my favorite coach, Tanush. I should. Oh, I should have done it. I should have done it. Missed opportunity. Missed opportunity. Oh man. Life comes at you fast. All right. Kind of double topping up here again. Haven't been on your stream for a long time. You have lots of accounts. Hey, Rick Sanchez, thank you. We are taking if I've gotten payouts from these accounts specifically, no, we are working on that. We are slowly but surely getting there, but we're taking it slow and steady approach on these 47 funded accounts. But I have been getting payouts. I think we're at 228,000 on the year, but hopefully increasing that at the end of this month. If you're able to get a trade on, go max size and hope that it loses, they erase the trade. Yeah, I don't know, K Trader. See, last time that Project X or TopStep X had an outage, didn't they just they reset the accounts to the previous day balance, and they reset the profits and the losses, which is crazy. They better not reset my profits. They better not. I'll get my pitchfork out. I'll get my pitchfork. Don't make me do it. I worked hard for my $400 in profit today. All right, we are ripping it back above the 260s now, testing that high of day. And just need to make new highs here, and then we can hopefully get a setup. We are coming into the 11 o'clock hour here, so should be interesting. Hey, Diego, I appreciate that. Thank